Hey everybody, it's Steve Lennon. I'm going to show you another tip that I found out about today for the Outplay platform. What's really nice is if you're building up teams and you have, let's say, three different members or five different members, five different team members in a single instance, meaning that you have five user accounts. Well, what or licenses should I say? What you can do is you can go ahead and associate five different Twilio numbers, which is five different SMS text messages and on everything that goes with it, right? Within the profiles. Now, within the platform, you can go ahead and set up leads and associate those leads to each one of those instances. Well, let's say you hire somebody, you give them access rights to it with their email address, and it just doesn't work out. Well, you can revoke that access right, and then you can assign that access right to another person who comes on the team. So that's a really nice feature within the platform. It makes it easy so that you don't have to change out Twilio numbers and profiles and things like that. You can easily associate or disassociate new profiles in the system very nicely and seamlessly. So I thought it was a great feature, and you should take a look at it if you're thinking about buying a team package. It's a great resource for you to utilize all your efforts. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure I'll be bringing more. Take care.